Introducing the revolutionary assembly engineered to alleviate the headaches of G2.8 diesel fuel injector repairs. Compatible with Ford Power Stroke 4.5 liters and 6.0 liters, and international Navistar VT275, VT365, and MaxxForce engines from 2007 to 2010. This assembly is a game changer, featuring a new valve and spool perfectly matched for each other. Complemented by a state-of-the-art OE solenoid, it ensures seamless integration and peak performance. Say goodbye to the tedious tasks of measuring, rectifying, grinding, and honing. With this assembly, sending your valve and spool for DLC coating is unnecessary, saving you weeks of waiting and shipping hassles. Get it where you always got your best parts. California Diesel. For more information, check out the link below. If you find it interesting, show your support by liking and sharing our video. To keep updated on products, tips, and more, please hit the bell and subscribe. If you have any questions or an opinion, please leave a message on the comment section.